Shug, what are you doing?
I have this new Milwaukee M18 Hatchet.
It's a pretty sweet looking saw.
I'm going to try to save that tree. So they tell me at work that I have to dig the grass out from around the bottom, which I already did, and then I got to put some mulch in there. So I got some mulch. I didn't have a saw, so I bought a saw. It's not a real chainsaw, but anybody who's anybody's using one of these. So, so
Watch out for the dog poop.
So from this side, the tree looks good, but come over this way. Look at this, half the tree's dead. So I'm gonna cut half the tree off. I'm gonna cut this, and this, and this, and we're gonna leave this half, and we're gonna mulch down there and hopefully save it. So here we go. First cut with a new saw. I just put oil in it. You're supposed to let it run for 30 seconds, so. I think that was about 28 seconds. All right, here we go. Ready? First cut. What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
Right?
That saw works magic.
I guess I can just cut this one right here.
Do you have your safety goggles on?
No, ma'am. You see this cut right here? This cut right here I did like last week with a handsaw. Which is why I went out and bought this saw, because that was bad. That was real bad. I feel like I should maybe leave this one, but the whole top is dead. Maybe we'll leave it and see what happens. Good job. I don't know. It's a pretty pathetic looking tree.
I think you should.
Think I should what?
I think you should cut it.
You do? You think I should just cut it right here?
Yeah. I don't know though.
Right? I mean, half the tree's good. Half of this is
well,
good.
cut the cut right there.
Right.
On where you had your hand.
Yeah, but then
No. On that one branch that's coming off right here. Yeah, that one.
this one, and then leave the other one?
Yeah, let's see.
All right.
Good job.
That thing's pretty sharp. I don't know. I'm not really good at trimming trees, so. What do you think? Just try this and leave it?
Yeah, I think somebody out there in the world's got to help us.
I'll go get some mulch and put some mulch around here, and we'll call it good. The grass was right up to here, and the arborist at work told me I had to dig that out, get the grass out of there, and then put mulch in there. So I don't know. I'm going to cut this a little bit more, I think.
I think he just wants to use the saw some more.
I do. It's pretty cool. Man, I think it cuts pretty good. It's way better than a manual saw. I think it comes with a wrench and everything. Pretty sweet, huh?
That is sweet.
Yeah. All right, gotta find more trees to cut now. I don't know.
Well,
all right, I'm gonna cut this up into some manageable pieces.
here's our lopsided tree.
Yep. This looks pretty pathetic, right?
It does.
Womp womp.
Oh, I like that. Do that. Womp, womp, womp.
It's definitely like a Charlie Brown tree. It's like a Charlie Brown tree, but wow. Let's look at it from over here. Yeah, I mean, it's not great.
No, gosh. Even a couple, that one right
know.
up there, the one that's V'ing a little bit,
I know.
almost,
I know.
I don't know if
terrible.
it's dead or,
I don't know. So disappointing. Well, hopefully they'll come back. I'm gonna cut this up into some smaller pieces and throw them in the bushes. I wonder if I can get the dogs to help me.
you gonna help P Dog?
Yeah. All right. This makes quick work. I feel like I should be doing more, but we're done already. Got that little rig. It's like a mini me saw. All right. Well, we'll see how this M18. It's called the Hatchet.
Oh, sorry, Roof.
It's called the Hatchet, the Milwaukee Fuel M18 Hatchet. Pretty cool. All right.
Good.
I guess I'll go get rid of the brush and put some mulch around the tree and
See if we can save it.
thanks for watching.